to my channel. And today is 20th of February and I'm heading out all alone. I'm borrowing my brother's cycle and I'm going to be exploring the parts of Mumbai which are not as popular, like they're underrated. So today's stop is Khotachi Wadi. This is the cycle. It's from Decathlon. So yeah, I'll be going to Khotachi Wadi and I'll be exploring the streets, the popular places there, and also trying to visit as many iconic places in that lane itself. Funny story is that I live literally 10 minutes away from there and I haven't been there even once. Like I passed by that lane a million times but I have not ever gone inside. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Plus I'm going all alone. It's not a big deal honestly, but I really like the idea of being able to just get out and go wherever the hell I want to without having to, wonder if I'll get company to go there. So yeah, come with me. Hi, so I reached Khotachi Wadi in like 10 minutes and now I've just parked my cycle here so that I can walk freely and explore the lane how much ever I can. And even like as soon as you enter the lane, you feel like you are in Goa or Pondicherry. Like it's so different from the usual Bombay. Like there is no chaos, and it's just so much more peaceful and I don't know home like. I don't know how to explain this, but it's this cute little place where people just live their own lives, mind their own business. Literally every single house, place you are seeing worth capturing. Like I just stop every 2-3 minutes and I'm like, oh my god, this is so pretty. Like I feel this entire place has a different vibe, a very different vibe from that of Bombay, like the urban Bombay. Even though it's placed right in the heart of South Bombay, it's so different. So I'm right in front of James Ferreira's house, who is one of the most popular fashion designers in Bombay, and in fact he has worked with a lot of Bollywood stars as well. So that's that, and it's so pretty. It's like one of the most iconic places I've ever seen. It's so photogenic. Like I feel like I wish I could have gotten someone with me or so they could click like pretty pictures of me, but I have to show you all this. This outdoor seating area thing is so gorgeous. Like it is so green. The whole like the flooring is so different. There are like plates hanged as decor, and it's just so raw. And it's like a house in in like near a beach. And I don't know. I would just one day I would want to live in such a house. No cap. So now that I've like passed James Ferreira's house, I'm going to just walk ahead and see whatever there is to see. So I think I'm gonna go and check that out now. I've noticed there are quite a few cats here. Like, there are cats almost everywhere, on top of every car. It's just odd. I mean, I don't know. Okay, so I just went straight, but there are so many small lanes inside this lane. So I was finding idle wafers and I was redirected back to the lane. So now I'll just be heading there to see what all the fuss is about. And yeah, this is just a whole another world. I don't know if I'm overhyping this place or what, but really y'all should come here. Like just for a stroll at least once. Do come here. I finally got my wafers. These were for like 50 grams for 20 bucks. So I'm just too excited to try this because this shop has been like really hyped. Whenever, like everything I read about Khotachi Wadi, this shop was like really hyped. So I just wanted to try it out. This thing is really good. Like, I wouldn't say that it's like extraordinary or better than every other wafer or chip that I've ever had, but it's really good. Like, if you come here, you could just buy a packet and, you know, have it while roaming around. And it's quite filling as well. Like, the packet is pretty good. Like, it has a lot of quantity as well, and it tastes delicious. Like, it has the right amount of salt, and I like how thin it is. So yeah. Okay, so my time here officially ends and I'll be leaving now. I think I stayed here for like about an hour or so, and it was quite enough, like if you are walking. So I think I reached here at like 9:40 a.m. and it's 10:40 a.m. right now. So I think that's pretty good. Next time I think I'll come here in the evening to see what it's like. And I've also heard this place should be explored during Christmas, especially because it's just crazy. Like everything is decorated and it's really pretty. So hopefully in like about 9 months I'll be here again. So yeah, if you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me if y'all could do this. So see y'all in the next video.